Top reasons to switch to organic detergent: choosing to focus on organic beauty and switching to organic cosmetics means replacing your skin masks, your moisturizers, and your makeup. But it means more than that too. What about laundry detergent? While it's not typically considered a beauty product, it still comes into close contact with your skin, and therefore can have a big impact on your health and your complexion. Why you should use organic detergent? What are the benefits of using an organic laundry detergent? What makes this a good option over and above what you might normally buy in a store? Well, for starters, buying an organic laundry detergent means that you'll be able to avoid using harsh chemicals in your clothing. This will right away mean that you are less likely to damage your health. While most of us will use regular detergents every single day and be completely fine, that is not to say that they are completely safe and healthy. It may well be that the effect is very small, but you are still putting yourself at unnecessary risk by choosing a synthetic product, and you may still find that it can have negative impacts on the health of your skin. The problem with conventional laundry detergents: that's because most laundry detergents use a number of toxins and toxic ingredients that are used to really eliminate any and all germs and bacteria. These include a category of ingredients known as surfactants, which include a wide range of different chemicals. Some surfactants are known to release benzene, which is a toxin that is linked with cancer and reproductive disorders. Does this mean that using laundry detergent will give you cancer? Not at all. But it does mean they aren't necessarily that good for you either. Other ingredients increase the likelihood of allergic reactions too. And the strange thing is that many of these ingredients don't help with the cleaning at all, they're just there to make the product look nicer and smell a bit better. Then there's the fact that using synthetic detergents can also be somewhat harsh on your clothes themselves. These are very astringent chemicals that can strip your clothes of their color and make the material go bobbly over time. Using natural products, on the other hand, means that you are generally using gentler ingredients that can break up grime and kill bacteria without damaging the materials themselves. Oh, and of course, using organic laundry detergent will almost always save you money too.